Welcome to Tiger's Tales. So today on Tiger's Tales, I had found some interesting, different Kinder Joy eggs. So some of them are Barbies. And Barbie's thing is you can be anything you want. And then also we also have Go Wild Animals of. So we have Animals of Africa edition. Okay, so what should we do first? All the Barbies or all the animals? Or
animals.
Okay, animals it is. Well, this will answer it because it's stuck together. It's the white part that has the toy. Oh. Well, this is going to be fun. Apparently, okay, so we have this bird. Then we get this bird. Now, to make the bigger bird, you have to take these parts. There we go. So then we have this part. Then we have this part. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, well, why are you saying this is not a very appropriate toy to have? You will see in a second why I say such a thing. I mean, granted, I have a very adult brain, so I sometimes make things very inappropriate, but apparently probably supposed to be like a mama bird and a baby bird, but I don't know, my brain just says it's something completely different. I mean, I think we have some Animal Planet nature stuff going on with this toy. So now that we have one open, I'm going to carefully try to open the others without having the candy exposed, because I honestly don't want to have all that candy. Yay, I did it. What this toy is... Ooh, a monkey of some kind. Let's see. Oh, interesting. It's harder than it looks, apparently. There has to be a way of doing this easier. It just does not want to do it. It doesn't want to do it. We'll put the monkey together next. Oh, apparently I need this part too. I've come to find that even though these Kinder things are supposed to be for children, sometimes you need a lot of strength to put something together. There, no. I'm an idiot. It would help if you used logic. Okay. There we go. The monkey. Okay, last African animal. Do you have any guesses?
Hyena.
A hyena. Okay. Another type of monkey. Well, at least now I know how to put the damn... There we go. Oh, he goes on differently. So he hangs upside down, or she. Okay. So we have the little bird. That's just... There needs to be some therapy happening there, I think. Woo! And we have the monkey. What in the world is it with me with monkeys and gorillas? Apparently, it is a animal. Ew. Okay. Must say the stickers aren't the best. It's like a game thing. So you have to set up your little points. You get either 50 points or 10 points. And you take your little monkey dude. Kind of reminds me of, what's the guy that's in Mario, Donkey Kong. Ready, smash! That was the weakest thing. You'll probably be able to figure out how to do it the right way, but that was a pretty interesting design. Part stick thing from one of the as the new ringtone. Okay, so let's see what she is. Let's see what Barbie is. Oh, she looks like she's a director or a singer. Oh, so we have a little director girl. Bobby. Oh, I opened the wrong thing. Oh well, Andy. Oh, it's a bracelet. And it doesn't have to be in any particular order, so it's customizable. And the pictures is like a little doctor slash nurse slash whatever bag. A dog, Barbie, a horse, and a stethoscope. Well, we know what that is. Oh. Oh, yay! This is the one I was hoping for. We have Barbie as a scientist, a chemist, to be more accurate. So she comes on her little stand, and her little stand is a little magnifying glass. And this is the one that I was hoping for. Yep, some rings that won't fit my fingers. Well, this is interesting. Oh, okay. So how you do it is you have to put the fabric, and then you put this, and you pop it, and get a little we have more things that we can be. So we have some planet. We have some. It's really cool. Okay, well, that's what I got. Okay, hope you had fun. Whoa, done. How do I stop this again? So that's today's tale. I hope you had a fun time. See you next time.